Hello and welcome back. This time we are going to discuss one of the features of Google Meeting, and this is the Google Meeting attendance. So I am going to open my Google Chrome, and the first thing that we need to do is to upload the extension or the Google extension for this particular function. So in this case, you just go to the Google Node extension and you enter that into your browser, and then you click Node reactions to Google Meet, and then you're going to go to this page. Okay, and then below this page, the Google Node extension, you will find these applications for your Google Meeting. So this will not be limited to Meet attendance or the Google Meet attendance. So you have other features here that you can use during your meeting. So in this case, I've already used Google Meet Grid View. I've also installed Google Meet Push to Talk, meaning I don't need to click the mute button on and off every time I talk. I just press the space bar, and then I automatically toggle or switch the microphone on or off. And then this one is the Meet attendance. So when you already have this green tab, it means that it is already, or it was already uh, added to your Google Meet or Google Chrome. Now, if you do not have it yet, you just click this and then click Add to Chrome. And then that's it. You're going to see this bar on top of your profile photo. And then in this case, since I am not yet using Google Meet, it is not yet highlighted. So this is a photo of an apple with a check mark. So when you start your Google Meeting, whether you're using it for your class or for a meeting, this will automatically turn on. Okay? So we're going to see that later. So if this is already installed, you're going to see the green tab located at the upper left corner of the screen. If not, you just click install this one. That's already installed. If it is not yet installed, you hover the cursor over it, and then you just click add to Chrome. Okay, now if this is already added into your Google Chrome and we want to start a meeting, so I have my Google Meet icon here, and I click that to start a meeting, and then I turn off the camera to maximize the streaming. Okay, and then join, and then that one. Okay, observe this part of the screen. I told you earlier, or I reminded you earlier, that this will light up once you already installed this in your Google Chrome and you start using your Google Meeting or Gmeet. So since I've already started Gmeet, this has already activated. So how would you use this? Google Attendance automatically takes the attendance of your participants. So you will be able to see that if you click this one, the participants icon, and then you go to the check mark. If you hover over the check mark, you're going to see this option. So you have add sheet, new spreadsheet. This is on and off. If you want Google Attendance to start checking the number of participants for that particular time, once you toggle this on and off. And then this one is the auto scroll, if you're going to lock it or not, and then a snapshot of the attendance. Okay, other options also include a control switch for those on top of the screen. So you just click this, and then it will automatically produce your attendance. So if we do that, I've already clicked that. This is what you're going to see. I click the same check mark that I hovered earlier, this part, and then it's going to take me to this spreadsheet. So the information contained in the spreadsheet are the date of the attendance, and then the name of the participants will be displayed on this part, and then time in and time out, the date and time you joined, and the date and time when you left the meeting, and then the duration that you were in the meeting. So this is very informative, and it will be automatically saved, and you have two options. Either you save it as an Excel file, or you can save it directly to your Google Drive. So every time you conduct meetings and you click the attendance, it automatically is dumped to your Google Drive. Or if you want to do it manually and you want to save it to a specific driver or folder, you can also do that in this spreadsheet setup. So just go to download instead of save, because you will not be able to find the word save here. But instead of that, use download and then Microsoft Excel. And then you specify where you want the file to be saved. So that's it. That's how you utilize Google Meet attendance in your Google meetings. And I hope this was very informative, and it would be able to help you to maximize your time during your activities, whether it's an online class or a meeting, especially when you have a lot of participants. Again, thank you, and I hope to see you on the next meeting. Bye. Stay safe.